Churachandpur MLA Khaute has reportedly apprised the Civil Aviation Ministry to build a mini airport at Churachandpur district. MLA Khaute met Union Minister for Civil Aviation Kinjarapu Ram Mohan Naidu in New Delhi and informed the Union Minister about the difficulties faced by Kuki-Zo community in accessing the air route and other highways due to the ongoing violence in Manipur. It may be mentioned that the violent crisis, which started in May last year, has left both Meitei and Kuki communities cut off from accessing highways and air routes. Meitei community is facing difficulties and safety concern while accessing National Highway number 37 and National Highway number 2, and therefore they are paying hefty airfare in order to go outside Manipur, while on the other hand, Kukis are unable to access the Imphal International Airport, causing much inconveniences on both sides.